In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Indeed account permanently. If you've decided you no longer need your account or you simply want to remove your information from the platform, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Before we get started, it's important to understand what deleting your Indeed account actually means. When you close your account, you're permanently removing your profile, your uploaded resumes, your saved jobs, and your application history from your dashboard. You also won't be able to sign in with that same account again unless you create a brand new one from scratch. So if there's anything you might need later, like a copy of your resume or a record of jobs you applied for, take a moment to download or save that information before you continue. Once you're ready, start by signing in to your Indeed account in your web browser. When you land on your Indeed dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see an area related to your profile or account. Click on Account and then go to Account Settings. This section is where Indeed keeps all of your personal and security options, including the option to close your account. After you're in the account settings page, scroll slowly and look for a section labeled Account Closure or Delete Account. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your region or if Indeed has recently updated their layout, but it will be clearly related to closing or deleting your account. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct option since this action is permanent. When you find the Account Closure or Delete Account option, click on it. At this point, Indeed may show you a confirmation page or a short message explaining what will happen when you delete your account. Read this carefully so you're fully aware of the consequences. Sometimes they may remind you that you'll lose access to any saved information and that this process cannot be undone. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the deletion request. This might involve clicking a button that says something like Confirm, Close my account, or Delete account. In some cases, you may also be prompted to enter your password again just to verify that it's really you making this request. This extra step is a basic security measure to prevent someone else from deleting your account without your permission. Once you confirm, Indeed will begin processing your request to close the account. Usually, you'll see a final message on the screen letting you know that your account is being deleted or has been scheduled for deletion. You may also receive a confirmation email sent to the address associated with your account, so it's a good idea to check your inbox and keep that email for your records. And that's it. You've now gone through the process to permanently delete your Indeed account. Remember, this change is final, so if you ever want to use Indeed again in the future, you'll need to sign up and create a new account.